From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it's certainly been a mild finish to the meteorological winter that ends February 28th. Meteorological spring starts on March 1st, even though the spring equinox doesn't come for another 3 weeks. But on the weather calendar, we're entering spring. And with that, sometimes spring storms. And as we look ahead to Acadiana's next weather maker as we head into Thursday night, we're going to see maybe a tornado watch for at least portions of Acadiana, especially the northern parishes of Acadiana. Gusty winds, we're concerned about that. Not concerned about hail or flooding. Not much rain with this system, and really the cold air aloft with this storm system is going to be north of our region. And again, that's where the greatest risk of severe weather is going to be. So here we go. The parade of storms continues. Upper level low working its way through California. It's going to tap the subtropical jet stream, and one impulse coming out of Texas right now may manifest into some strong or severe storms well north of the region over toward, we'll say, Arkansas, Tennessee, maybe portions of Alabama, but not for us here. We should be relatively dry again tomorrow, although we can't rule out an isolated shower. So we have one winter weather system exiting the northeast, enter the next big weather system on the west coast. More heavy snows across the Sierra Nevada, more heavy rainfall across portions of California, lower elevations, and once again, blizzard warnings, winter storm warnings all over the place, winter weather advisories in blue, winter storm watch for portions of New Mexico, and in the yellow you have your high wind warning. So again, a very dynamic system on the way. Meanwhile, near term, not bad at all. Generally fair to partly cloudy skies. We do have a bit of a cloud bank coming in across the area, but not much. So hopefully you get to see Jupiter and Venus tonight within an hour after sunset. Even closer tonight, and tomorrow they'll be their closest, just a half a degree apart in the night sky. So if you extend maybe a chopstick out, it's about chopstick width, so look for that. So here we go with our severe storm risk going into tomorrow night for Acadiana. Again, the Storm Prediction Center has kind of pared back the enhanced risk a little bit farther to the north, but it's awfully close. Most of us in Acadiana here in a slight risk category. That's a level 2 out of 5, where we could see a few isolated storms that could produce damaging winds and or an isolated tornado. And then farther to the north, an enhanced risk, level 3 out of 5. Severe weather outbreak most likely here, and there could be a higher upgrade to perhaps a moderate risk somewhere in the I-20 corridor as we get closer to the event. Again, this is still a 3-day forecast, so we'll see how it fleshes out in the days ahead. So as we take a look at our graph model here, again, plenty of clouds moving in, breezy enough to keep most fog at bay, we think. And then as we head into tomorrow afternoon, another mostly sunny and warm day, temperatures upper 70s to lower 80s, but it's going to be breezier. We'll see winds gusting at least to 25. There's that one impulse I mentioned that's going to produce storms to our north. For us, just a 10 or 15% chance of an isolated shower tomorrow. Thursday morning, you can see showers and storms beginning to develop across Texas. Now, the storm track with this low is not going to be going due west to east at this point. It's going to kind of make a turn to the northeast, and that's why we may get bypassed by a fair bit of the severe weather dynamics, but nonetheless, we'll have a front moving on through. Strong to severe storms, especially from central Louisiana. You can see how crazy it looks here getting up into Arkansas. That's where there could be that higher risk of severe weather. So here we are, midnight Thursday night. So the front pushes on through by daybreak Friday. So any storms we see are going to be through the overnight hours. It looks like after midnight and before daybreak on Thursday. Then breezy, cooler air moving in. So overnight tonight, upper 60s to lower 70s. No changes there. Lower 80s again tomorrow. Tomorrow night we'll stay in the low, perhaps to the mid 70s, and then going into Thursday afternoon, another warm one before the cooler air works its way into the region. So breezy and mild night tonight. Look for Venus and Jupiter pairing up nice and close within an hour of sunset. By 7:30 or so, it's too hard to see low on the horizon. 69, 70 the low tonight. Tomorrow we'll get it up to about 82 for the high. Got up to 83 this afternoon. Few more clouds, but some sunshine in the afternoon, and a nice breezy start to meteorological spring. And as we head into Thursday, a windy day, perhaps stormy at night. I've taken out the weather alert day for now. We'll just keep our fingers crossed on that. And look at that weekend forecast. Tons of sun Temperatures low to mid 70s and overnight lows in the sleeping weather zone. And more importantly, air conditioner nor the heater needed this weekend because the AC has been starting to work of late.
So which one of us has a 3-day weekend?
Oh,
It's her turn.
yes.
I think it's a birthday too.
It is a birthday on
30,
Saturday. They left me
30,
30.
I was gonna
We'll
say
leave it
it's
at that.
Something like that. I don't know, maybe.